Here's what happens to your body as fried chicken adds up. With 1 piece, digestion stays normal. Your body handles it easily. At 5 pieces, fat and salt increase. The stomach works harder and the liver begins to feel strained. By 10 pieces, the system slows down. The stomach stretches, blood sugar rises, and energy starts to drop. At 20 pieces, real damage begins. The liver becomes overloaded, circulation slows, and breathing feels heavier. At 30 pieces, the body reaches critical overload. Organs struggle to recover and the effects can last far longer than the meal.